What is this?
I don't know. I don't know, but it's fighting good. Yeah, try to just keep it under my line. Dude, what is... Oh, I got some... Oh my God, Austin.
This is a good fish I have on.
Bro, we both have good fish.
What's going on?
Dude, I don't know.
Joey.
Dude, I don't know what to do, Austin. We both have good fucking fish on right now. Are they jack? Oh my God, that's a big snook, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Austin. Holy shit, we're about to double up. Yank that bitch in the fucking... Oh my... Just yank him, Austin. Oh my... I'm about to lose him. Good shit.
I'm gonna get your Joey.
Okay. Oh my God, we just doubled up, buddy. Dude, it's a big snook. They came from Tarpon. Oh my God! Yes! Let's fucking go!
Yes!
Let's go! That is a big boy! Double up, baby!
Joey, these are giants.
These are giants. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Woo!
Come on.
Let's go!
Let's fucking go, buddy. Oh.
Dude. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Yes.
Let's go. Double up. Italian sand fishing, baby. That's all we do. All right, let me get some pictures of you real quick.